The all-new Banalari Nexa showroom is now open at Mauyongrem near ISBT. Explore premium Nexa cars, book your favorite, and take a test drive. Nexa. Create, inspire.
Together we achieve, together we can fly, reaching for the sky.
Fcra University, Meghalaya.
The next-gen Tata Tiago. Dual-tone interior, dual smartphone deck but wireless charger, blind view monitor, bakiway. Tek kum ki kaliram, hagador ke bejam, tak sao point riulak. Just wow.
Sorkar Jala Galarai ban Plie da Fcra sel Hapoh Tnat kampo yang menyerap kenhun berper kibadan Hapoh Jala hakabede baka application Foreign Contribution Regulation Act applications bat kejing pertama ya kesenot laitu Menteri Rangba Jala o Conrad ke sama haba keren cikla petai kubur ha khalai tarik unai lar aja apun rio o Menteri Rangba laitu baya Fcra sel lapen kha da kejing selok bak Sorkar India bat ka thong ka bah khmat e ka long banyara be kin hun ba fer nak ni jala haba ki don kam ban le ai jubab chadal hi.
I would like to inform you that the Meghalaya government has decided that we will be forming an Fcra cell within the Home Department in the government of Meghalaya itself. This of course will be done in consultation with Government of India. And the purpose of this cell will be to help in coordination with central government to see effective way in which the different problems being faced by our different organizations when it comes to renewals and applications can be addressed right here in Shillong itself without having, or in Tura or in Jowai, without having to travel to distant places like Delhi. And obviously in this coordination, we are seeking the support of Government of India, and just I can tell you without giving too much of details that this matter also was discussed with the Home Secretary, and we are working on a mechanism where Government of India officials also will be there to support time to time in order to ensure that any kind of problems and challenges that are there will be looked into. But the Government of Meghalaya will take the initiative, as I said, to form that cell, an Fcra cell within the Home Department, in the state government, in different locations where if necessary, which will help and support different organizations in their process of applying or renewing their Fcra license. So that's something that we're going to do. And so therefore these things are going on. And as I said, it'll be nice that all political parties should see beyond politics in this and really see how we can contribute towards ensuring that a positive outcome comes in. It's not about taking credit. It's not about saying I did it and you didn't do and blaming each other or anybody else. I think there is a lot at stake. So I think this is not the time to play politics, but it is a time to work together to ensure that we are able to find a solution where certain concerns of Government of India are there when it comes to monitoring and regulating foreign currency, which is a natural procedure that happens throughout the world. But while the procedure to monitor and regulate foreign currency happens, our people should not suffer in terms of them being, facing difficulty and challenges or their assets being seized. So to strike the balance between these two needs is really the need of the hour. And that's what we're working towards, to find a mechanism for regulation, yet not harassing or affecting or damaging our institutions and our organizations which are here helping and working for the poor people of our state.
Iperti yang tak ke Ivan, kuwi ke perom kuah kanai pi.
Ivan,ไปคอนแรมกว่าลายสกอมคันตอนฉันแน่ประดามนี่ทำเป็นบทเองดิหลักพา
บนเส้นกิบรุงจุกลีพาเกียงตั้งกี่ขมัดพร้อมชนะยี่หยอกพยได้
กองอีวันอ่องเราเองก็เป็นผู้สู้ยากระมอต่อระบนรายกระมเต็มเอเจอร์ดีพี่ก็กองกันน่ะ
อยากคิดวิวงานนี่นะมาแม่คิดวิ่งมาวันนี้ทำไมแม่ยาฮะ
แม่สเตอร์ละงามสร้างเกี่ยวแบบเก่า
Min pedi yang pi ku apply ni training ko boleh benai ni mata wo chna wo thai suruh.
Ngaku ai amalai.
Tang hikai ni suruh ya gini perlok. Dewa hikai ko nongkong daga sampul desain ko ar dah hikai ke desain mana je dia kan ga sampul desain.
Gini ke check tu ram Sorkar mah.
Kampung dah terang la duk mesin dia sikit dah kamu kuat.